每講到論興都下興呀，自多大寂寞被滿高寂寞孤寞的，牛一零寂寞招手寂寞路街牛高呀，真路遠牛路年，高下木走路途安路木頭給巴，路寂寞領土這地巴，路在為領頭路途為里，下個天下古牛我抓，年路木頭口頭莫諾，路照拉諾路不拉吉嘿。She don't cry out loud, she just holds it in. Got used to the quiet, got used to pretend like she okay, like she's strong enough. But nights get heavy when it's just her thoughts. She still remembers how her mama would talk, how her dad used to laugh when they went on walks. Now it's just memories stuck in her head in an empty place where they once lay. Some days she don't even say a word, just moves through life like she ain't heard all the love that other kids receive. That kind of life she don't believe. She learned how to grow up way too fast, still holding on to a broken past, and nobody really sees her pain. Just a quiet girl trying to be okay. 저 또寂寞冷冻着